Hello, Maggie in front.
And Kay's behind the camera.
This is our Let It Be album that we made at Bartestree last year, and we have got the PDF is available on our website for this one. So this one's been made by MaryAnn. So it's a nice portrait size. In fact, it's a Merlin album cover size, and it's using the Let It Be collection. So that's our faux grain strip down there, and we will be ordering some more of those very shortly. So you have pockets here and here, a pocket here, and this one lifts up, and inside you've got the 6x4 cut-in photo slot, and then you've got another pocket there. Can you see?
So.
And then you've got your insert pages tucked in there. More pockets here. Then you've got our curved photo slot set one there. These are our brad flaps. So that lifts up there, that flips up there, and that pulls out like that. You see them all?
Yeah.
And then it folds that way. You've got more pockets there and there. And then here we've got another pocket, and you've got your circle photo slots there. I like this because MaryAnn's used the stamps that go with this collection. And then here, this is using one of our page sliders. First of all, you've got a little tuck spot there, which is from our straight photo slots. Pop that up there, and then it opens up, and then you've got more pockets here and here, and then you can close it. That's it, by sliding it down.
It's nice actually without a magnet closure.
Yeah, that's there. More little pockets. And again here and here. And then on this page, this is using our photo swivels and the faux brad. Just swivel it that way. And then you've got curved photo slots here. That's, MaryAnn's cut that out. That's from one of our original, I'm not sure what she's done. Oh, here we are. That's from one of our original never-ending strips, which are discontinued now, but we have got the straight ones. I'm not quite sure what she's done that for, but she's obviously done it there for a reason. So, and that is that album. And the ribbons are finished using our Perfect Finish circles.
And a bit of glossy accents.
Of course, be rude not to have that. Goodbye.
Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.